Good morning. My name is Hunter. Apart from being a business person that spends most of his time at work, I actually enjoy this sport called wakeboarding. So if you haven't tried it, I'd want to encourage you guys na after this whole COVID thing, you should come with me. Let's go to the local wake park, the nearest one to you. Tapos enjoy that beautiful sport. My friends and I haven't been able to visit the local wake park for the longest period of time, which is almost like a month already. And for us, that is like an eternity. So you can tell that I'm losing my mind. So very, very sad story, this whole COVID thing that's happening. But nevertheless, I'm gonna create a very different approach of a wakeboard video for you. You can tell that I'm losing my mind. My friends have gone crazy. They're tying ropes to trees, practicing backflips and front flips on tables and chairs. You have no idea what's going on. Somebody should create a challenge on how creative you can be wakeboarding at home. Tago na lang natin sa pangalan ng Marty Base Mark. Grabe! Like, tumawag siya sa akin one time. Sabi niya, bro, tali ako ng rope dito. Tapos biglang lalagay ako ng parang box dito. Tapos papracticing ko yung front lips ko tsaka back lips ko. Ganun, grabe. Addict. So anyways, guys, the topic for today, this is my personal approach. This is my personal approach in things, okay? The topic for today is how to properly maintain your wakeboard. I want to do a shout out to my homies at Deca Wakepark, sila Silo, my boys down from Lagos, sila John and Andrew Tanja. To the boys also at Republic Wakepark, I hope everything's doing okay. Like, I know almost 1 month sarado yung wake park. Challenge to your business. I hope that you guys can recover really well. As soon as this whole COVID thing is over, you'll definitely see us at the wake park again. Pros usually don't really care that much about their wakeboard. They get a new one every year. But for all the amateurs just like me, I'll show you guys how I personally maintain my wakeboard. But if you do have like something that I can improve on, please do comment down below or just shoot me a personal message. It doesn't matter. Let's get down to the bottom of things. Let me go get my wakeboard. This is a 2019. I hope it's right. If it's wrong, please do let me know. Double Up Atlas 2019. It's the Lior Sofer model. My wakeboard though is 146 centimeters. So I used to ride a 138 when I first started wakeboarding. I moved to 146 because I don't know, like all the pro riders kasi at the wakepark, mas malaki, the bigger the better. Di ba ganun naman talaga? The bigger the better. My bindings is a Mojito binding. So just want to let you guys know, if you guys want a board as sexy as this, please do visit Deca Wakepark. They got all the nicest gear there, and then you can pick and choose. They have all the options, all the sizes. Bindings are 8. So I just want to give you guys a rundown. Is this the right orientation? Yeah, double up. So you can see there are rail marks. Siyempre, the more you use your wakeboard, the more that it's gonna have its battle scars. Tapos the things that you can actually do so that it could last longer, and at the same time, like the consistency of your glide through obstacles or water is probably gonna change through time. So what you can do to be able to have that consistency. I love this board. When I first saw it, I just fell in love with it agad. Kasi there's this freaking lion right in the center. And it's just not like any ordinary lion. This lion has fucking wings, yo. So the first thing I do, I just get alcohol. What I do is kind of just like, para matanggal lang yung dust. So that you just take the dust. Pretty much. The first step is you gotta make sure that you get everything, every detail. So like these M6, is this called an M6, M4 or M5? I don't know. You're gonna put a replacement screw on your wakeboard. Make sure that it's completely stainless steel. Because if it's not stainless steel, what happens, it will rust and it will destroy the mechanics on the screw and how your bindings connect to the board, and it's just gonna be a huge problem later on. Yeah, so once you've cleaned all of the upper part, I love this. I've always been a fan of like the boot type. This is the boot that you can walk around. If you're going to a wake park with rocks, for instance, Pradera has a lot of rocks on this. It's really difficult if you don't have a boot that you're gonna walk on the rocks. Parang for me lang, I feel so much more comfortable having a boot. So this is all my personal preference. I mean, there's someone who wants to shout me down, like, pero ganito, mas maganda yung feeling na naglalakad na nakapaa din. Really, that's your personal opinion. This is my personal opinion. Also, what I do is like, I spray this, wipe it down. Make sure that mga dirt in pieces of... So yeah, and then you can also like spray what's inside. And then you just like wipe it down. So it's just making sure that everything's like nice and neat, clean and tight, you know. If you have any problems with your wakeboard, for instance, may nabasag, nabali or na, what I can recommend you to do is to visit any wake park to talk to the operators. So you get to the bottom part. Alcohol is good. With alcohol, it dries fast. So yeah. Alright, so we can confidently say that our wakeboard is clean of dust. There's this thing that you can buy any hardware store or like an auto store or something. It's called Sun Shield. So it's priced at 169 pesos. You can buy it from, well, I got mine from Ace Hardware. So you know when your stuff is new, like your wakeboard is new, I just love it. Sometimes kind of don't want to use it, so you kind of want to bring it back to its old glory. In this thing, the MTX Sun Shield, it can restore the luster of your wakeboard. So imagine that. You can also use this for this, because it's heavily exposed to the sun, and this is called sun shield. So you're shielding your gear from the sun. So alam mo yun, yung parang when you walk into the wake parks, you're holding onto your board, and your board is like, it's shining, glimmering. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Kanina, I had an old board. Now, I have a new board. Can you believe that, my friend? Look at my new wakeboard. Now we're looking at performance. So I think it all has to do with all of the wheel marks that you've already put on your wakeboard. I mean, this is called Wax That. Wax That, I think the people who sell this are also the boys from Deca Wakepark, the homies group. It says here that it's for wake skate and it's for wakeboard wax. You guys are looking to buy some, definitely hit up Deca Wakepark. It has instructions on the back. It's pretty self-explanatory, but at the same time, we're gonna run by and how to use it. Rub Wax That at room temperature on the dry base of your wake skate and wakeboard. You gotta use it in a room temperature, and guess what? We're in a room, we have room temperatures. What happens is that you're getting the wax inside. Oh snap, look at that. So it's like you're putting an extra layer of protection on your board. This is pretty cool. So I mean, like if you're riding at the wake park, this gives you additional, like, you know, glide through the water. So pretty much you do this. So once you've kind of like, you know, applied some wax on your wakeboard, so you use the included cork pad to polish the base of your board. Polish it out, you know. You can do circles. Oh, dude, it's so nice. It really polishes it, no? Wow. Like, I don't feel the scratches anymore. Wala nang scratches, oh. Oh. For the cork thing, you can do circular. What it kind of does, it kind of evens out all the wax that you've applied. Pero, dude, I'm gonna start doing it. I'm gonna start. Amazing. Amazing. To be completely honest with you, and I hope you wouldn't hate, but dati, I never really saw the purpose of waxing your board. But now that I put my attention into it, it makes so much sense, yo. Dude, sobrang highly recommended. Oh, if you're a wakeboarder, you need to have this in your bag. You need to have it. No joke. I'm not joking at all. You buy 2 pieces. Damn. Oh my God, alam mo yung nararamdaman ko ngayon? Is I'm even more excited to go to the wake park. What it says here on the 3rd step of how to use that wax that is that you are ready to shred the park. Boom. So I just have to wait for the end of April, so when this lockdown is over, we can all see each other at the wake park. Encourage you to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I only have like 43 subscribers, so kind of gets lonely in my channel, and I hope that I would be able to continuously make more videos about the things that I do in my life, like for instance wakeboarding. Try to possibly make, you know, tutorials or whatever. It doesn't matter. What matters is that, hey, we all be chilling, man. We all be chilling, man. Alright, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. And then please, if you see me at the wake park, don't forget to say hello.